Start to sail along these ocean waves. Nobody knows how to find us. It's turning out to be a perfect day. I just wanna leave our normal lives behind us. So let's get lost out here. No one else out here. Find ourselves out here. Oh, we could disappear into
soon after.
So this is a voluntary activity. So wala niya kamong napilit, that is why kilala niya kamo kabilog, jutay lang kamo because voluntary lang niya, gusto lang. Even sa part sa teachers, this is also voluntary. So this is designed to as a recovery program. Okay, tay nakabalo man kita nga you have been for 2 years na wala kamo ga face to face sa pag-pandemic. So this is a recovery program of the Department of Education.
A few minutes later.
Some significant information about our speaker this morning. Awarded as Asia's Woman of Substance and Outstanding Public Servant and Empowered in Leadership during the 8th Asia Pacific Luminaire Award held in Okada, Manila. Awarded as one of the Philippines' Empowered Woman of Dedication and Remarkable Public Servant of the Year during the 6th Damar ng Lahi Award held in Waterfront Hotel, Cebu. A Sangguniang Bayan member of Moises Padilla, a businesswoman and a public servant, the woman behind Guapang Servicio. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you Honorable S.P. Beauty Nazareno.
Thank you so much, Sir Jeffrey, for that very heartwarming introduction. Ano ang lason mo nga ari ka ni Subo? Nga ano man ang imbra ka sa NLC, bigs ka bakasyon? Sa balay. Diyan tumami, instead na matinga siya sa balay, mula siyang promote, ari ka di para magdoon. Palangpakan si Vicen. Okay, so please listen. Listen carefully. Make sure ko sa inyo ako. By a famous American author, Brian Herbert. Mati kay may question pa ka naman, may buwapang kabilo. He said, the capacity to learn is a gift. The ability to learn is a skill. And the willingness to learn is a choice. So ano po na po siningon sini? Kadlaw naman sila. It implies that in order for you to acquire that gift, ano to ang gift? The capacity to learn. So, magkita capacity to learn, ano na siya buot sila nun? So, easy ka maka-absorb sa lesson. Damo ka ma-store na knowledge sa imo mga brain. Nami imo memory. Damo ka ideas. Hapo sa imo makabalo sa inyong lesson. Ability to learn kuno is a skill. So, damo ka nabalaan, tapos sa imo mag-apply. It is an applied knowledge. Ang imong ability nga, dasig ka maka-absorb sa imong natunan, and then, kabalo ka man mag-apply. No? We put it into practice. But, ano kuno kinanglan una before natin ma-achieve ang capacity to learn a gift and the ability to learn a skill. Ano to ang last statement? We should have that. Very good. We should have that willingness to learn. Imo gid gusto nga maeskwela. Imo gid gusto nga makabalo. Imo gid gusto nga makatapos. Imo gid gusto nga maging successful ka. But I understand there are several factors affecting your performance sa school. Ano ang mga bagay nga naga-sublag sa imong pag-eskwela o muna sa ilang mundo? Any volunteer? Ano dyan mga ginpanaan national school yung students yan? Ay, hindi na ako volunteer ang mga padala. Feeling mo layo akong balay, is wala akong plating, hindi ko pa eskwela. May ara? Wala, very good. Wala, tulog ko, adlaw na ko gabugtaw, late ko per may arata mo? Yes. Alam, is na Sir Gerson. But, balik ka to. But if you have that willingness to learn, you will develop interest in learning. First, i-attend ka sa inyo klase. Hindi ka pala absent. Check to. May ari di pala absent? Wala man. And then, not just na wala lang absent, wala pagid galing. Kung willing ka gid mag-learn, kung interesado ka gid dyan magtuon, wala kang absent unless na kung may valid reason. Wala ay matcha, may mga emergencies sa family. But kung wala ya, ara ka gid sa eskwelahan and hindi ka late. Second, you listen and you take down notes kung ano ang discuss ng mga teacher. Sino di pala sulat? Nga nag-take down notes, di pala? Wala na? Ang sabi ni Mauyo-Uya. Cellphone na? Cellphone na lang. Gina-record na lang. Gina-video na lang si ma'am. Develop study habit. Very important. Sino di may study habit? Na may time din siya, no? Like ML and LB 30 minutes lang. And then 2 hours or 3 hours doon na. Sino guilty man? Nagayunenta sila to. So dapat may alagid na study habit. Kung kinatultol, kung di ba lang muna na time of the day. So hindi lang TikTok. Hindi lang ML, hindi lang puro games, YouTube, kung ano pagida. So tagaan din time ang pagtuon. So itap yung shoulders ang tupad mo. Ay isundo niyo ako ni Hambal. Sige, itap ang shoulders ang tupad mo. Dapat may partner ka din. Hambala siya nga. If you are not willing to learn, no one can help you. If you are determined to learn, no one can stop you. Very good.
Soon after.
So today, louder. Today, I will do my best. To be my best. What I will do will make a difference in my life. My choices will affect me. And those around me. I will listen. Participate. And follow instructions. So, hindi magpasaway kay ma'am and sir, kay nga aman, voluntary ba na sila, no? Wala sila sweldo, ang ila lang gid gugma. Sa inyo, ang ila nga kapital nga, ang mabalik-balik man sila for 15 days. And of course, gina-commend ko gid no ang presence sa ating mga stakeholders, ari diri, no, from the municipal officials, upod ko si SB Junis, our Committee on Education, si Ma'am Sol from the PTA, and then si Kat Amy, no, from the barangay officials. Kaya ba nila, it takes a village to teach a child. So, dapat may collaborative partnership in the community, ang school, as well as ang teachers, ang parents, dapat nagabuligay kami para makahatag sa inyo sa quality na education. So, my dear teachers, don't hesitate, no? Let us know how can we be of help. No, kaya Manila, it's not about the resources. It's about the resourcefulness. Tama? So, God bless students. Kag sa mga moms naman, God bless, enjoy, and thank you for having me again this morning. To God be the glory.
Find ourselves
A
out
certificate of appreciation is hereby presented to Honorable Philomena Joey A. Nazareno in recognition for her sharing her valuable time and expertise as keynote speaker during the National Learning Camp
stay,
2022.
make a new life with you. This must be fate.
Soon after.
Here with you. We don't have to go back to what we used to. Rather than stay, make a new life with you. This must be fate, must be a sign. So lost here, lost forever. Love being stuck here with you. Here with you. So let's get lost